Hello students, welcome to this first video lesson on the project course overview. Today we will talk about what you need to do for this project and how you can succeed. This is an exciting journey where you will learn many new skills. So let's get started. First, the objectives of the project and presentation course. This project has three main goals. First, you will develop your research and writing skills by collecting and analyzing information. Second, you will learn how to work as a team to achieve a common goal. And finally, you will practice public speaking by presenting your work. These skills are important for your studies and your future career. Let's see what is a project. A project is a small research task that you can do alone or with a group. And the key elements of the project are research, data analysis, report writing, and presentation delivery. The goal is to learn how to research, how to analyze the data, and how to create a report. This project has two parts. First, you will write a report about your findings after your research. Then, you will create a presentation to share your work with others. These steps will help you understand the topic better and improve your skills. Let's take a look at project structure. The parts of the project are individual report, group research, and presentation. Each student will write an individual report. This includes a title page, introduction, methods, findings, conclusions, recommendations, and references. As a group, you will work together on research only and to create surveys and brainstorm the ideas by sharing resources. Finally, you will prepare a presentation, and this has to be done individually by each student. This will summarize your findings with visual aids, and each part is important, so make sure to give it your best effort. Now, the weekly timeline. This project is divided into three phases. And all these timelines are tentative. It might change according to the delivery plan you will receive at the beginning of the semester. In the first 7 weeks, week 1 to 7, you will focus on research and collecting data. During weeks 8 to 12, you will write and draft your report, the first draft and the final draft. In the last 3 weeks, you will review your work, practice your presentation, and deliver it. Following this timeline will help you stay on track and complete your project on time. An action plan with proper dates and weeks will be given to you by your teacher at the beginning of the semester. Now, how to succeed? Here are some tips to succeed in this project. First, stay organized by following the action plan. Second, communicate with your group to share ideas and solve problems together. Finally, don't be afraid to ask questions or get feedback from your teacher. These tips will make your project smoother and more enjoyable. Lastly, some tools and resources that can help you in your project. You have many tools to help you with this, like MS Word to write your report, MS Forms to create and collect surveys, Canva to design visual for your presentations, and Grammarly to check your grammar. These tools will make your work easier and more professional. So let's start this journey together. Remember, this project is not just about getting a grade. It's about learning new skills and improving yourself. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your teacher. Let's work together and make this project a success. Thank you. See you in the next video.